for a 10, looking for supreme, looking for a queen. Just roll with me. If you're looking for a winner, looking for a 10.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my DIY distressed shorts. So these are the things that you'll be needing. I use some chalk, some scissors, and some tweezers. If you have lighter pants, then you might want to get a pencil or something like that. But I just start by trying on the pants that I'm going to be cutting. So in this case, we're going to be turning these jeans into some shorts, or capri shorts rather, because they're longer. And with the chalk, I'm just going to be marking where I want my circles and my slits and where I want the jeans to stop. And this is my mom, so she's just showing me basically where she wants her shorts to stop, and I did them a little bit above the knee. If you're kind of nervous about cutting, I would suggest cutting them longer, because you can always go back in and make them short if you would like, but once they're short, then you're kind of stuck with that. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Oh y'all, this whole entire time I thought I was recording and I actually wasn't, but don't worry, I have other pants that I'm going to be doing in this video. But yeah, as you can see, I went on ahead and cut the bottom off, so now I'm just working on the slits. And with the slits, you don't want to go in and like make a big slit. You want to just get the side of the tweezers and kind of do like a tiny hole, and then force your scissors into the pants and then cut that way. I know it's kind of hard to explain, but hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing by watching me. This is another view. So I don't like the straight line, like the straight blunt cut. So I'm just going in with my scissors and I'm making a hole at the very bottom so that when she puts them on, it's not straight across. Like there's like a little dip. I can't explain it, but you guys you've seen it in the intro. Okay y'all, so this is the most important part. You're going to be getting your tweezers, and here I'm just making my slits bigger, but you're just going to get your tweezers and pluck the thread so that it can have more of a distressed look. This, guys, is the most important part if you want like the distressed jean look. So yeah, I just sit here for about 5 to 10 minutes and just pluck at the thread so that it can loosen up and some of the thread can fall out. So this is the next pair of jeans that I'm going to be doing, turning them into shorts. So of course I'm going to be trying them on. This time I'm going to use a pencil to mark where I want the shorts to stop. Then I get my scissors and I go in, I cut, and then I pick the thread with my tweezers. So yeah, you guys, I'm not going to talk through this part. You can just watch me do it. So yeah.